So we come to page. So our TA will give you the newest version, and now we come to a new topic called moments of the force about the point. Moment here is this one. I know that the content of this page should be familiar to you because you have learned all this at high school. Now, moments is this one, and moment is at high school that we learned that F equals to F times R, and what is it? What is this in Chinese? And if we write it as this one, and what is it? What is this in Chinese? Okay, and in English it is called on up. And this is one thing. The most important thing in so if we have an object and we have a point O and we have a force acting and acting on point A, and therefore we have force R. I think this is clear. I think this is clear, right? In this course, one very important thing is that when we write down the moments, we always have R in the front and F in the back. So you cannot do not write it like this. You write R first and then F. Okay. If I see the wrong way, then I will put a cross on it. Increase examination. Because sorry, let me go back for a second. So because we know that P cross Q is equal to minus Q cross P. So if we want to get the right direction, we need to make this in the correct order. It's okay. For getting the moments right in the right direction, we need to have R and F in the correct order. So R first and then F, R cross F. And there is another thing. And when we write the moments up, I write it in the form and in the book. So I write A/O. This means point A with respect to point O. These three are the same You can write OA, you can write ROA, or you can write RA with respect to O. And I use this one, but of course you can use this one is also okay. The first one is used for your calculations. So here I would write R A with respect to O. Remember, moment is equal to R cos F. R first and then F. The next thing, so if we know that if you have learned cross product and IQ, you must know that the magnitude of MO or the magnitude of the cross product is R times F times the angle between the two. So it is the angle between the two is I think it is this. I think this is this one. So the angle between the two vectors. So MO, the value of M is equals to R times F times sin theta. And we need to write because this moment is with respect to point O. It's not with respect to point P, for example. It's not this one. It's with respect to point O. So we need to write O here. I'll show it. I'll show it in a minute. This is one thing, and it's okay. I think you have learned about cross product at high school, and you have learned moments at high school. So we are just putting these two things together. Now, the next thing is adding moments together or adding forces together. Now, of course, it sounds. I think this sounds reasonable. R cross the sum of F1, F2, and to Fn is equal to R cross F1 plus R cross F2, and so on. Now, the only thing to notice is that this only applies to concurrent forces. Concurrent forces are forces that go through the same force. So for F1 and F2 that it is okay, but it is okay. But if F1 and F2 goes, they are parallel. This is not. Just a quick reminder. Of course, for these two forces, we can't write the same moment of it. So, and but for this equation to work, that the forces have meets this. Now, and for SD, I'm talking about putting cross product and moment together. And now, because our M is equal to R cross F. Now, if of course, and moments R can go in 3D space, and F can go in the 3D space. Now, if we use the equation in the front and on the last page, now we can have MO is the determinant of this one, and to get the value of the determinant, of course we go this way and then this way. So, and the points to notice is the first row. The first row that we have I, J, and K. This is usually no problem to Gaussians, but the problem usually goes in the second and the third row. The second row is R, and the third row is F. Sometimes Gaussians would mix them up and put F and R. And remember, we have IJK and then R and then F because F equals to R cross F. If you always write it this way, that you put the determinant in this way, and usually you'll be fine. You'll be okay. Okay. Now, I will give you one or two problem as assignments over the weekend, and you can try doing it, try working out the assignments, the homework. Now, so I think I should leave you some time for the quiz. So let me stop it here.